What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Emergency Response, and it looks like it has an X. Emergency Response, Liberty County. Oh my god. Alright. We got a challenger over there. People are kind of breaking the walls. That guy seems innocent. This is all I can afford. Why is it smoking? I need to do this repair shop. Where is the repair shop? Repair car.
Repair car of what?
Stop with gray. I don't kind of
Repair car of your butt.
I think it should be this color. Nope. This color looks cool. That looks ugly. Gotta pick a decent, like black. Do they have black? Really black? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just play. Alright, let's Exodus. I'm not gonna mess this up. No! Just got this repaired. Bro, I can't type? Bro, how do I type? Oh my god. Bro! I gave you my ID. He got off. Bro, this police is going. Bro. Like, this don't make any sense. Like, how do I chat? Oh, I forgot that was your line.
No.
I don't care. There ain't no cops around here. Bro, there ain't no cops around. Feet. Oh. I'm gonna have to Bro, how do I? Trying to figure out how do I like try. Illegal rights. There's a fire in there. I don't need the fire. I do not know how to chat, which is really ugly because you need a chat. I meant this way. There ain't no cops around. Man, I need this thing. Eat! Hi, did I do something wrong? We are looking for a yellow something. I don't know why can't I type like. Don't let me type. Why did I do something wrong? I'm trying to juke him. Oh, my God. Well, I have to wait until the brook go.
You know yesterday?
What?
Remember yesterday
No.
when Princess was tattletelling?
Yeah, what about it?
She was just.
I recorded.
She was. On record?
Yeah, I'm recording it now.
Unmute it.
I can't.
Can I tell you in your ear?
No. You
Yes.
can't tell me at all.
It's about yesterday.
No. I already know about yesterday.
No, it's something that
Oh,
you're
no.
jealous about.
No.
You mean stupid.
I'm not stupid and I'm not mean.
Yes, you are.
And you trying to make me jealous. No. Oh, I hate prison, bro.
You say you hate Princess.
I said I hate prison.
No, you don't.
Yes, I did.
No, you don't. You said you hate.
Wait, I'm free. Why do I gotta be at this kind? Oh my god, stupid.
You stupid.
Finally break down. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and bye.